Hey guys, this is Terry, and I'm actually looking at a assisted living house and a business that's for sale in Citrus Heights. The house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It has 1,582 square feet. It has 2 single beds and 2 double beds. The house is for sale for $360,000. The business is for sale for $100,000, which makes a grand total of $460,000. The business is grossing $555,000 a year. That's a lot of money for one single family house. The payroll is $18,000 to $20,000 a month. The cost per bed is $257 a day. That's $7,710 a month per bed. Again, there's 6 residents in this property, so that's $42,260 monthly that this house is grossing for assisted living. The business again grosses $555,000 a year. The net profit on this property is $150,000 to $170,000. That's a monthly net of around $13,500. That's a lot of money, you guys, no matter where you live, okay? The owner is the administrator of this property also, okay? I'm trying to get a tour of the inside so I can show you videos, and that way I can take a more in-depth tour. Again, the net income divided by 100,000, okay, that's what the owner's asking. That's going to give you a 13.5% return on your investment, okay? No one is teaching you guys this. No one is teaching you how to make this much money on one house, okay? That's $500,000 a year a single family house is making. This is a great business, assisted living. You got any questions, feel free to give me a call at 916-470-3869. Again, it's 916-470-3869. Thank you.